Blueberry answered a strange man that called the phone.
Ring. Hello? 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 Daddy? Is you that, Daddy? Daddy, is you that? Oh no, this is your daddy's friend calling. What is your name? Oh, I am Blueberry. I am Blueberry. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Oh, Daddy said I should pick you up from school tomorrow. Daddy come, Daddy come. Daddy, I come tomorrow to pick me up. No, Daddy said I should pick you up from school tomorrow. What color uniform you wearing to school? And which class you're in? I would like you to meet me right at that big tree there. 2 o'clock. I'll have on a black pants and a white shirt and a red cap. Blueberry? Give me the phone. Who is that you was talking to, Blueberry? But Jesus Savior. Blueberry, don't I tell you not to answer the phone? Answer the phone when the phone ring, Blueberry. Who was that you was speaking to? Hello? Who is this? Huh? Listen to me now, Massa. How you get me number? Patrick give you? Patrick tell you to call? Patrick is not feeling well? So I never know say Patrick not feeling well, him mouth not feeling well? Listen to me now, sir. Sir. Hold on there, sir. Hold on. Hmm? I don't understand what you were saying to my daughter. Eh? All those inappropriate things to meet your ear and meet your dear. Huh? What kind of talking is that? I'm not hearing well? So since I am not hearing well, you come and clean out my ears then, sir. It's bright and out of order. Eh? I don't know how you come by my number. Listen now. Don't make me diss you up in a night here, you hear?